I'm Erin and I'm back and I've opened this Nom Nom set and we'll start to open this one here and I'm going to show you what ones we've got on the list when we've opened this one. So we're going to talk about this one first and then we're going to open this one here. So in the front here is this one and I don't know what it is, but I'm going to try and it might, I don't know what it is. And this one here is like ice cream with like cream, pink cream on top of it, and little things sticking out. And here is some glitter, and I like the looks of it. It's white, and here we have got Nom Noms, and it's cherry scented, so I love this one. And
let me see what others got.
Yeah.
You want to hold that in? Hold it in front of the camera.
and show them how and put it in the floor and look what it does. Alright, let's just and now this one here is Nom Noms, and it's kind of like flower thing. They're both lipstick, and I think that's all. But up here we've got a spoon with cherry on top, and it's like ice cubes that can come off, and you can put some stuff in there, like some of your Nom Noms and things. And here is a popsicle, looks like it, or ice cream or something, and you can shut that over. It says ice cream on the lid, so it's ice cream. Must be the ice cream ones you get. Oh, my sister's eating it. It must be good.
Must be a lace on it.
And here, this bit can come off. I did it in the last video when we opened this one, and it's you can store some things in these too, and this one's easy to come off, or maybe not.
Maybe not. Lollipop.
And yes, that's it. So we're going to put these back in where they go, and then we're going to open this one, and I'll explain to you what's in that. Oh. Alright, let's get back to it. Okay. Let's get back underneath. This is like this thing.
Ow! Ah!
Where is that? Alright. Can you get on to the next one?
Come and get me.
What's the needle on it?
Come and get me.
Where is that?
Oh, there's something in the back.
Ah. And here's its little door. Oh, I thought it was open.
And got the baby.
So it's time to get back on the Nom Nom opener. So, let's get music. can it light up? Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. I love it. Turn it off. How do we turn this thing off? I do not know. Let's get on to the prizes.
Come on, baby. Is that noise?
Oh, it's another light up something. Light up. Come on, I just pulled the cable out. You light up. Alright, this one does not work. Alright, that's nice. But it doesn't light up even though I just pulled the cable out of it. But it works with this one. I'm going to put the cable back in so it stops lighting up. There we go. Oh, that's a bit. So we'll just put that in. It's a purple ring and it's pink in the bottom. And we'll just get this one's bit and then I'll tell you what it is. So this one doesn't even work, so I don't even care. Okay. So this one's a white ring with yellow at the top. And then we'll open this one. And I bet it's another ring because I can feel the ring shape. That means I'm going to be rich. I don't know. You just fill out. Wait, let's see if it lights up. Because the other one does not work. It's not working. Mummy, it's not working. That never worked either. I'll try that again then. We'll try and pull it out so then.
Look at it's a thing.
It's broke.
It's a thing, Mommy.
Alright, this is a
Mummy,
pink
it's a
ring
thing.
and pink at the top. It's got a little cute bow at the top. And it's nice. So I bet this one's another ring. Oh, it doesn't feel like a ring to me. I don't think it is. So if you're peekaboo, then I see you. Alright, there we go.
Baby singer, baby singer.
Why are you singing baby singer?
Because it's family singer. Baby singer, where are you?
Well, that
Here I
smells so
am,
good.
here I
And it
am.
looks like a
How
crystal,
do you do?
and it's got a bow on the top. And it's winking.
Mommy singer, where are you?
This will be another nom-nom.
Here I am.
Bash.
How do you
Alright,
do?
if I can open it. Here we go.
And Daddy singer, where are you? Here I am,
Oh my
here I
gosh.
am. How do you do?
That smells so good.
This bit, the
Let's
family
get
one.
on.
No, this
Like
is the
this.
family one.
Feels like another one of
The
them.
family one.
And it probably will be.
Baby, Daddy, Mommy, and baby. She's on the
my gosh.
left.
This looks so cool.
Family singer. Family singer.
Here's the thing you put in the ring, by the way.
Baby singer, where are you?
This smells so good.
It's the pop.
Oh, my favorite color is blue. Blue.
Baby singer, where are you?
That smells
Here I am, how
nice.
do
Yeah,
you
it's
do?
got a pink bow. And it's not winking this time. And it's blue.
Mommy singer, where are you?
After this one, I've got 3 more surprises to go. And let's open this one. Green. My favorite second color. Even though what I just said there doesn't make sense. Alright, so it's green with a pink bow and it winks like this. Alright, let's start. With there's only two left there. And this one is yellow and it's kind of crystally. Take a look at that up close. It's crystally around it. And it's got must be a ladybug. Looks like one. But different colours on it. And oh, it smells good. And it's got its tongue out. But I need you to smell this one. It's so good. If you can. If you can smell through it. Which depends. Me. Oh, I like this one. And I don't like the smell of this one.
It's a lollipop.
Right, I like this one. I don't like the smell.
I like the lollipop.
So, I don't know who it belongs to. I just did it on here because it's going to end up sticking my hand out. It's a little pink. Wait, right. It's kind of really pink and it's got a cone in the top with a little bow there and some sprinkles on its head. And it's winking with its tongue out. And it's got a little tail in the back. Last but not least, the last. Kind of a candy cane. I like the looks and I love the smell. It smells like mint. Oh no, right, last, there's one more, so let's open this one. Oh, there it goes. It's upside down. So it's kind of like a candy cane shake and it's winking. And it's got a white bow and it's got red ears, so that's it for now. Get away, rubbish! Hello? Alright, now we'll put them in a big line and we'll show them. So these are every one I got. These two and these two and yeah, this one's good. And oh yeah, that's one of the light up ones. Yeah, I like it. Right, two of these are bad. I don't like that. So there is. I think that was the one I don't like. Alright, these are the ones I like. Smells so good. I'm putting in the... Get out of the way. Get out of the way! That never went far. That went far. No, it candy cane. Tastes like a smoothie to me. And it's kind of crystally. And I'll see it up close. Look at the back of it. And here they are, all of them. They're my tasty ones and these are ones I don't like. And now we have got this light up one. Oh, that's how you do it. You press the ball. Oh, got it there. Alright. Go. Next.
There's both in here.
Where's that extra ring there? So we only got a few rings here, but I like them because they light up and they're cool. Oh, this one's out.
One for
This
you.
is the one that works on the star.
show everybody your light up trainers, Anna.
So show everybody your light up trainers. So here they are. I'm gonna put them on me. Some of them might run out because like they run out in the scale of 10 probably. I don't even know what I'm talking about though. So here's my rings. And we're gonna try some of these on them so we don't need them for ring. Take them off. And let's try this yellow one on it.
That's ready.
So the yellow one
A toy for them.
is kind. The yellow one's is the same. No, it's not. Let's open. Oh, I can't do it.
For you.
Put you in the bigger one. Alright, let's put you in this purple one here. Right, we'll need to turn you on first. On to the beat and stamp your feet. Here she is, and it lights up. What was that? Right, so we're going to turn this off because it's very annoying. Now, it's time to put them all in the van and eat them.
Because it's fit.
So, now it is time to
I need the ice cream.
say bye.
I need the ice cream.
Okay.
I need the ice cream. Ice cream.
Okay. Alright, let's just shove them in the van and then we'll start saying something. And say, wait, I need to get some. I need to do. Right. Okay. Right. Say a big thank you to someone that subscribed to me, and her channel is called Super S, and I've never watched it, but I'm gonna do it. So, bye.